10-minute deep meditation relaxation for inner peace and healing. Heal your mind, body, and soul. In today's fast-paced world, finding moments of peace and tranquility is becoming increasingly vital for our overall well-being. Meditation has long been celebrated as a powerful tool to achieve inner peace, reduce stress, and promote healing on a profound level. This blog delves into the benefits and techniques of a 10-minute deep meditation session designed to help you relax, rejuvenate, and connect with your inner self. Understanding the essence of deep meditation. Deep meditation goes beyond simply closing your eyes and clearing your mind. It involves a deliberate practice of mindfulness and focused breathing to quiet the chatter of everyday thoughts and emotions. The goal is to achieve a state of deep relaxation where your mind can unwind and your body can release tension. The benefits of deep meditation. Stress reduction. One of the most immediate benefits of deep meditation is its ability to reduce stress levels. As you engage in mindful breathing and relaxation techniques, your body's stress response diminishes, leading to a sense of calm and peace. Enhanced clarity and focus. Regular practice of deep meditation sharpens your ability to concentrate and enhances mental clarity. This heightened focus extends beyond your meditation sessions, helping you tackle daily tasks with a clearer mind. Emotional well-being. Meditation fosters emotional resilience by allowing you to observe your thoughts and feelings without judgment. This self-awareness promotes a healthier relationship with your emotions, reducing anxiety and promoting a more positive outlook. Physical relaxation. Deep meditation relaxes your muscles and lowers your blood pressure, promoting physical relaxation and overall bodily health. This relaxation response is crucial for combating the detrimental effects of chronic stress on your body. Spiritual connection. For many practitioners, deep meditation serves as a pathway to spiritual growth and self-discovery. It creates space for introspection and a deeper understanding of one's purpose and connection to the universe. Preparation for your 10-minute deep meditation session. Before you begin your deep meditation practice, create a tranquil environment free from distractions. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Step 1. Find a quiet space. Choose a quiet room or a peaceful corner where you can sit comfortably without interruptions. Ensure that the space is free from noise and distractions. Step 2. Sit comfortably. Sit in a relaxed and upright position. You can choose to sit cross-legged on the floor or on a cushion. Keep your spine straight but not rigid, allowing for natural alignment. Step 3. Set a timer. Set a timer for 10 minutes. This helps you stay focused without constantly checking the clock. Step 4. Close your eyes. Close your eyes gently. This action signals to your body and mind that it's time to turn inward and begin the process of relaxation. Step 5. Focus on your breath. Start by taking deep, slow breaths. Notice the sensation of the air entering and leaving your body. Focus your attention solely on your breath, letting go of any thoughts or worries that may arise. Step 6. Relax your body. Progressively relax each part of your body, starting from your toes and working your way up to your head. Release any tension you may be holding on to. Step 7. Practice mindfulness. As thoughts or distractions come into your mind, acknowledge them without judgment and gently bring your focus back to your breath. Cultivate a sense of mindfulness and presence in the moment. Step 8. Embrace stillness. Allow yourself to simply be in the present moment. Embrace the stillness and silence within you. Let go of the need to achieve or control anything during this time. Step 9. Visualize healing. If you feel comfortable, visualize a healing light or energy flowing through your body. Imagine this healing energy bringing peace and harmony to every cell. Step 10. End gracefully. As the timer signals the end of your 10-minute session, take a few deep breaths and gradually bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Take a moment to appreciate the sense of calm and rejuvenation you've cultivated. Conclusion. A 10-minute deep meditation session can serve as a powerful tool to nurture your mind, body, and soul. By dedicating a few minutes each day to this practice, you can experience profound benefits in your overall well-being, from reduced stress and enhanced clarity to a deeper sense of inner peace. Remember, consistency is key when integrating meditation into your daily routine. As you continue to explore and refine your practice, you'll discover its transformative impact on your life. Embrace this journey of self-discovery and healing through the practice of deep meditation.